Next is principles of education. So principles of education, that is, first one is today, that is Dr. Maria Montessori. It's recognized the great name in the field of child education. Okay, she is responsible for introducing an interesting system of education. That is, you know that nowadays the schools are before, that is preschoolers. Okay, that is the age of 3. Okay, that people, they are sending the children to the Montessori. Montessori, it is nothing, that is they are practicing there with the what, there is a no theory classes, and there is a practice how to react, and the intellectual development will be increased during the preschooler age. Okay, so education as a process of development. So process of development, in the sense, Dr. Montessori has said that a child is a body which grows and a soul which develops. Okay, it is a, what else the Montessori said, like the child is a body which grows and a soul which develops. It, we must neither stifle or mysterious form which life within these two forms of growth, whether the life of preschoolers or become like a tragedy, or the become a, it's a harmonious. So this is this Montessori, he said that is a education is a process of development. Okay, development in the sense intellectual development, how they are getting the intellectual development, that is a, what we are telling, that is a sense of humor as well, the sense of act. So depends upon the situations how they are acting. Okay, that is, we are calling the education as a process of development. Then next one is a doctrine of liberty. So they are having that liberty, that is they what to do, what not to do. Okay, so that is, we are the people, they are doing, that is Montessori has started with an assumption that the child's future is destined at the moment of his or her birth. So when the child is birth, okay, genetics also it is involved, but when the genetics are involved, it is a 50% only. So 50% the environmental factors are very important when the child is growing. So the child is growing in the positive or negative. Okay, so when the child is growing, that opportunities, when we are giving the opportunities, the child will grow accordingly. Okay, so the positive part is positive, and the people are very harmonious, the people are very interested to learning. Okay, understood. The school must permit for free natural manifestations of the child if he is to be studied in the scientific manner. The next one is a principle of the growth of individuality. Okay, so principles of growth of individuality, so depends upon the growth of individuality, how they are growing, not in the physical sense, it is in the mentally as well physically, and how they are intellectual. So mainly the education is consists of intellectual development. Okay, so in the intellectual development, how they are getting education as well, how they are doing. Okay, so when the principles of growth of individuality, the teacher should know the physical development as well psychological development of the child. Okay, the principles of self education. So self education, it is in for the adolescent. Okay, during the adolescent period only, it is helpful for the self education. So in that self education, after +2, they have to decide what to do, what we have to, which is suitable for me. Okay, which is, if we want to get in the society in high position, so we will go for like a professional courses like nursing, engineering, doctors, and agriculture, and like that. So that is depends upon the person's individuality as well the economic conditions. Okay, principle of muscular training, that is a muscular training not only for this one mentally, it is included in the physical also. Okay, training in the training of the senses, so depends upon the senses how they are doing the activities. Okay, so which is the persons are working in the knowledge, therefore the training backward, that is a background, that is if the persons are doing, her father or his father is doing the business, so business people, they will go for the business. So when they are going for the business, the tactiles, okay, the tactics they have to use. The tactics, that is a example we can tell in the sense the father is like a goldsmith. So father is goldsmith and son is studied. Okay, the father didn't study, but son is studied. So when he is taking over the this one for goldsmith work, so what happened, he will use that education and in innovative way and make the goldsmith work will be elaborate. Understood? So that is, we are training in the training of the senses. Then next one is the training with the sense of beliefs and intellectual training without refined senses. It is not possible for the early stages. The child is getting attracted and interest during the studies. Okay, so these are all the principles are there in the education. First one is education is a process of development, then a doctrine of liberty and principles of growth of individuality, principles of self-education and muscular training and training of the senses. Okay, so these are all the things are there in the principles of education.